Once again, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short video lecture, I will show you two big mistakes in the construction of plinth beam in RCC column steel reinforcement details, especially in lapping length. If you have any question related this short video, so you can comments, I will try to reply your answer. Guys, you can see they provided lapping which length is up to 14 inches. Dia of this tail reinforcement is 16 mm for this RCC column, which size is 15 by 15 inches. Next guys, you can see this is plinth beam, but at the distance of L by 4 you can see in tension zone, also in compression zone, in same position they provided lapping. So this is one of the big mistake in the construction of this plinth beam. Guys, you can see they placed lapping length at the distance of L by 4 where we have negative bending moment, but unfortunately they provided the lapping in bottom portion also and top portion in the same direction at the same point. So this is one of the big mistake. If you are working on construction site, so you should remember where is the best place to provide lapping length, but they don't know anything related RCC structural design, so therefore they did this kind of steel reinforcement design for this plinth beam. You can see they use two steel rods at the bottom, two at the top. Dia is 16 mm. Depth of the beam is 15 inches. Width is 12 inches. You can see the stirrups details. Dia is 8 mm with the spacing of 8 inches. Hooks are bent on 90 degree, which length is about 2 inches, but it should be minimum 3 inches. The hooks should be provided alternately. They did the hooks placement properly, but if you see they did lapping at bottom portion also and top portion of this plinth beam, but at the same place, at the same direction with the same dia. On the other side guys, you can see here again you can see the length between these two columns is about 12 feet and 9 inches. You can see the lapping is provided which length is about 14 inches. So the lapping you can provide from the formula of 50 to 60 D, where D is dia of steel rod. But unfortunately they did the lapping about 14 inches, but this is not the proper length of this lapping for this place where they did already. They used 12 number of steel rods in the construction of this RCC column. Again guys, you can see at the distance of L by 4 next with other RCC column, same lapping length in bottom portion and top portion. You can see unfortunately they don't know what is steel structural design. Actually they are just doing this design by a steel fixer, so therefore they are providing a lot of mistakes in the construction of RCC beam, column, slab, stair, etc. You can see the spacing is about 7 to 8 inches. At the distance of L by 4 or where we have lapping length, there the spacing of the stirrup should be provided closely from the reference of IS or ACI codes. You can see this is RCC column. On the other side guys, you can see clearly this is the junction between beam and column, where you can see guys this is the end of the beam. They placed dual pin length, so this is the proper way to provide the dual pin length at the end of the beam, which length should not be less than 6 to 7 inches. The shuttering for this plinth beam is in progress. They are closing the two sides of this plinth beam. At the bottom we have DPC. You can see the dual pin length which are connected by a binding wire with each other. They used here 40 grade steel rods in the construction of plinth beam with column. Hope this short video can help you to know what is lapping length, what is development length, where we can provide the lapping length, what should be the length of lapping, etc. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.